Apply this to your pots and pans. The results will surprise you. They'll look brand new. Thanks to this trick, my pots are clean and shiny. To prepare this super cleaning solution, you only need 4 ingredients. First, take 5 lemons. Cut each lemon into 2 equal halves. Then cut them again to make quarters. Put the cut lemons into a blender and blend them thoroughly. If you don't have a countertop blender, you can use a hand blender. Strain the lemon juice from the blender into a bowl using a sieve to remove the peels. Take another bowl and divide the juice into 2 parts. In one part, add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix well until there are no lumps. In the other part, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and mix thoroughly. Then, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix again. Now, combine the 2 mixtures by pouring one into the other and mixing them well. Your pot and pan cleaner is now ready. Simply apply it to a burnt pot. Wait a few minutes, and then scrub the pot with a scouring pad. You'll see the results almost immediately. Use this trick, and your pots will look like new. You can fix a burnt pan in just 5 minutes. Say goodbye to that annoying problem. Instead of scrubbing away tough burnt-on stains, try this simple trick. Sprinkle table salt over the burnt surface, add your favorite dish soap. Then sprinkle on some baking soda. Cover everything with layers of paper towels and pour vinegar generously over the top. Let it sit for about an hour. The result? Your pan will look like new. No scratches, no damage. All the burns will be gone without any effort. Try this trick and see how easy it is. Apply this mixture to the burnt pan. You'll be surprised by the results. To prepare this amazing cleaner, you'll need ingredients you likely already have at home. First, take a small bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of coffee to it, preferably ground coffee. Next, add 2 tablespoons of salt. The fine salt crystals act as a gentle abrasive, helping to remove stubborn stains and burnt spots. After that, pour in 2 tablespoons of dish soap. The soap helps eliminate greasy and tough stains. Mix everything carefully until you have a smooth paste. Apply the mixture to the burnt surface and let it sit for a few minutes. During this time, the ingredients will work their magic. Then, scrub the pan with a sponge. The results are almost immediate. Use this trick regularly, and your pans will look as good as new. Enjoy clean pans, and don't forget to share this trick with your friends. Press a potato into salt. This trick is a real lifesaver. Take a regular potato, but make sure it's fairly large. Cut it in half, then dip it in salt. Let it sit for a moment so the salt can bind with the potato. Use this salted potato to scrub your pot. The results are visible almost immediately. Potatoes have cleaning properties mainly due to their starch content, which acts as a natural abrasive and absorbent. Use this trick, and your pots will look brand new. Enjoy your clean pots, and don't forget to share this tip with friends. This is how you clean an old, burnt pot. It works better than store-bought cleaners. It's a simple homemade method that's surprisingly effective, and you probably have all the ingredients at home. Start by grabbing a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt has abrasive properties that help break down stubborn burnt-on residue, making it easier to remove. Next, add 2 tablespoons of ground coffee. The fine coffee particles do a great job scrubbing away grime and gently scouring burnt spots. Pour in 2 tablespoons of any dish soap. This helps dissolve grease and stubborn stains. Mix everything well until you get a smooth, consistent paste. Now apply the prepared paste to the burnt area of the pot. Let it sit for a few minutes so the ingredients can work and loosen the burnt residue. During this time, the mixture seeps into the grime and softens it, making cleaning much easier. Then grab a sponge and scrub the pot thoroughly. The result? A shiny, clean surface almost immediately. Your pots will regain their former shine and look like new. Try this easy trick and enjoy perfectly clean cookware. A restaurant secret that even the best chefs don't share? You'll be amazed at the result. A burnt pot is every cooking lover's nightmare. But there's a simple way to restore its shine in just a few minutes. Take a pan, place it on the stove, pour in some water, and bring it to a boil. Now take your burnt pot and put it into the boiling water. The high temperature will immediately start loosening the burnt layer. Prepare a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda is a natural cleaner that dissolves grease and grime. Add a bit of toothpaste. Its polishing properties will bring back the shine. Then pour in some dish soap to help break down the remaining residue. Mix everything well and pour the mixture over the burnt pot. Put it back into the boiling water and let it cook for a few minutes. Soon, you'll see the water darken as the burnt residue lifts off. The pot becomes clean without scrubbing. Finally, move the pot to the sink and wipe it with a sponge. You'll see how easily all dirt disappears. Rinse under running water. Done. The pot looks like new, clean, and shiny, just like from a restaurant kitchen. Place a colander on the pan. When you find out why, you'll immediately love this idea. It helps, and it really works. Almost everyone has a metal colander in the kitchen, also known as a strainer. A colander is a kind of larger sieve. It can be in the form of a pot. However, a colander with handles is more commonly used. You use it to drain dishes, such as pasta. It's also used for washing fruits and vegetables, especially the smaller ones. Few people use it for frying. And it's precisely because of it that frying is much better. I can't imagine a kitchen without this utensil, especially when I want to fry previously frozen products. For example, frozen fish. There are several methods recommended by chefs for this. The first method is to wipe the pan with vinegar before frying. Pour a little vinegar into the pan and wipe it with a paper towel. Then pour in and heat the fat. The second method is to add a pinch of salt to the fat while frying. Another trick is to fry the dish, whether it's meat or fish, with slices of raw potato. And if you forget to rub the pan with vinegar, don't have potatoes, and forget about salt? Then use a colander. Why all this? These are ways to prevent fat from splattering during frying. If there's even a bit of water left in the fish, the fat will splatter all over. Instead of a lid, use a colander. The steam will escape freely, the dish will continue to fry, and your kitchen will remain clean. I put the pan in a plastic bag, and the results are amazing. This trick will make your pan look brand new. It's so effective you'll want to share it with friends and family. You only need 4 ingredients and a plastic bag. Cleaning a burnt pan can be a real hassle, especially when grease and high heat make it hard to scrub kitchenware easily. This method changes everything. Start by pouring a cup of cola into a container. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, which is great at removing greasy stains. Then, add 2 tablespoons of dish soap, a tablespoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of dishwasher rinse aid to make the pan shine. Mix it all together. This combination is perfect for removing tough stains and spots on steel surfaces. Now, prepare a bottle for the liquid. Remove the cap, heat it with a lighter, and poke a small hole in it, or use a bottle with a nozzle if you have one. Next, place your dirty pan in a plastic bag and pour the solution over it, ensuring the entire surface is covered. Tie the bag with the pan inside and let it sit for an hour. After an hour, take the pan out, scrub it with a scouring pad, and rinse with water. Your pan will look as good as new. This easy trick keeps all my pans shiny and spotless without harsh chemicals.